Hi, this is a tutorial that I'm making for a frame that is going to be assigned to be blind mounted. And what we're going to do is show you exactly how we blind mount signs. So that way, technically speaking, there's no visible screws that you can see. You will be able to see some on the top and bottom, but I mean they're really minimal. But this is a type of blind mounting that we do when we hang up a sign. Right here in front of us, what we have is a frame. We have a 3 foot by 6 foot frame. It's made out of about 1 inch steel tubing, and we've welded together the corners. As you can see, the corners here, they're welded together. There's one, and then there's the other one that's welded, and here's the other one. And then here's the other one here down here. We still have to go over with our brush and brush those off. And we also need to paint this as well. So when we hang the sign, when it rains or weathers outside, it doesn't cause it to rust and basically bleed. What we refer to bleeding is when it rusts, the rust color, the reddish brown, that gets under the fascia or the actual wall where the sign is on. It leaks and it drips and it just looks real nasty. It makes the wall look really terrible. So what we want to do here is what I've done is basically I've marked my lines here. These lines here represent where it's going to be blind mounted to. Here's the top line I marked 6 inches in, and another line here on the bottom which is also 6 inches up from the bottom. And what we're using is a 5 foot steel angle. Now this is a 1 inch angle right here, and this 1 inch angle here is going to go on the inside of the sign. So this angle here is going to go right just like this. It's going to line up with my line here, and the end of that part is going to line up with my line on the bottom. And so what we're going to do first is basically this angle is going to go right here. So what we want to do is we want to grab a pair of vice grips, and we're going to put this flush right onto here along with on the bottom. And then on the side here, about 18 inches in from the top and the bottom, I've made another line which is right there, and we're going to drill the holes right on the bottoms of the square tubing. So let me show you a little bit more of what it's going to look like, or how we're going to do this, so you get a better idea. It may be a little bit confusing now.